Hello all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make crispy onion fry, and you can store this in a container and use it for 2 to 3 months for biryani and other cooking purposes. So as you can see, I've taken some oil and heating this oil in a pan. So the oil is hot enough. Now I will put 1 or 2 pieces of onion to check whether the oil is good enough to fry this onion. So I feel it's good and it's not getting over fried. So this is how I want my oil to be. So after this I will add the other rest of the onions which I've cut into pieces. And don't add all the onions together, because if you add all the onions together, oil might flow off. This is how it looks. Thank you all for watching my video. If you like, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.